MarketPresso tutorial, and in this video we are going to cover up the second part of MarketPresso tutorial. Okay, so if you are new at this channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will create more videos like this, so you can get notified when I will upload new video. Okay, so as we all know, in this last video we have covered this marketplace, and we have made this marketplace and the front of you with the help of DFY. And in the last video we have covered this section and this section and this section, and in this video we are going to cover the review section and the notification section and the language setting and this navigation bar here and the drop down bar here. Okay, so before moving ahead, I have given a link in the description, so you can check it out, the software, and buy the software through that link. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover the review section, so let's move ahead. So as you can see right now, this is in the review section of MarketPresso. So here we find reviews. Those people comes in our marketplace, so they give us the review, so we can change the review here. Okay, I want to change the review of Siri 12. Okay, so I will just go to the review section here. I will find his name. Okay, so review Siri. Okay, so Siri is not available here, I think. Okay, we can move to another person. So let's take an example of Martha. So we will change this name. Okay, let's say I wanted to change the name of Kevin, so I will just click on edit here, and I'm going to change the name of Kevin Tim here. Okay, so let me make it Kevin, and here I can subscribe now, and I can change the image of that person here by just clicking on the image section. You can browse any image, and even you can select an image from here. So let me select an image of this person, and it will be automatically uploaded here, and then I just need to click on save, and once I will click on the save button, I will be able to see the changes here. Okay, so as you can see right now, Tim is changed to Kevin, and so let's see the approved section. So here you can do what? When someone will give you an approval, so someone will give you the review of on your marketplace once you buy your service, so you can approve their review here, and you can also do pending. You can find those people who have not given the review but you have not given them approval, so you can just click on here. You will find a button, and you can just click on approve them, and you can approve them easily. And here you can see the spam section, so you can make it take them to spam folder if you find something not right. Okay, and let's move to the notification section. So what it notification section means? So it basically what it does is, it's the notification section. Once someone is, like, say here is an option of sign up. Once someone sign up on your website here, clicking on this section, register, so where you will find the notification, let someone have signed up on your website. So we'll be changing the name of your name as well, and your email, so where you can find that let's say someone sign ups on your website, you can get you can send a mail to the person that you have approved, and here you can do multiple changes, the changes that you want to do. Let's say here you have subscribe account successfully created, you can say it's subscribed successfully, or you can say approved seller. Once someone will let's say if someone wanted to sell services on your website or your marketplace, so you can create sellers here, your approved seller and rejected seller, as you can reject the seller from here once someone will sign up for your marketplace, and you can reject that seller as well. You can approve their services once they will create their services. So if you find something wrong, so you can disapprove them, reject their services, and as well as you can approve their services. Okay, so let's move to the language setting. So what is language setting? Here you can change the language of your marketplace. So the supported language here is the English and the Spanish. We are using the English default. Let's make it save. You can also make it to Spanish as well. Let's say if you want to add any other language, so you just need to click on import language, and then you can choose any language here. Okay, so this part we have created, we have done this section of this marketplace setting here. So let's move to this part and see what are the features of this. So here is the marketplace section. You will find multiple marketplaces that you have created, all marketplaces, add new marketplaces. Here you can create the new marketplace here, and you can find all your marketplace here by clicking here. And here you can find your services, what are the services that you are giving, let's say you all services. So here you can find your services, what are the services that you are giving, and here by clicking on add new services you will be able to create new service. Okay, here in the product section you can add product, and as well as you can see the product that you have listed. Okay, so here's the block section, here's the setting section. Here integration, you can add any mailing site or if you want to integrate any website, so you can integrate here, as well as you can see your orders here. By let's say someone orders from you on your marketplace, so you can see the order section here, live orders, delivered orders, and cancel order as well. Here you can add, here you can see the bonuses section. Here you will find multiple bonuses that given by MarketPresso team, by MarketPresso company, and here you can manage customer. Here you can manage your customers as well. You can find multiple, like those who have sign up on your website, they have how much amount of purchase they have made on your website, on your marketplace, how much wallet balance they have. Also you can see the subscribers, how many people are in your marketplace. So this part we have done. So here you can see the drop down as well. So let me zoom in. Okay, zoom out. Okay, as you can see right now is a video tutorial. So here you can find multiple video tutorials that given by MarketPresso team, as well as you can find bonuses. We have covered this template club. Here you can find templates, as we have done the MarketPresso packages. So we have in this part we have covered all the DFY function that you need to understand here. MarketPresso mobile app, knowledge base. So here, if you have any questions, so you can go to FAQs, and you can easily if you have any questions, so you can get the answers here. If you want any backup support, let's say you are not getting any stuff to be done, so you can mail them easily so that they can give you feedback. Okay, so this is the part that we have covered all about MarketPresso. So this is the last part of MarketPresso. If you have not watched the first part of MarketPresso, so I am going to provide you a link in the description, as well as the pop-up here, so you can click on that link and pop up, so you can be redirected to that video. So this is in a full demo video of MarketPresso. So here's the first part of MarketPresso that I have uploaded. Okay, so this is in a full demo video of MarketPresso, and as well as the tutorial. I have given you full tutorial about MarketPresso, and if you want to buy MarketPresso, so I have provided the link in the description, so you can check that out. And this isn't it for today. Bye bye.